Hello. Welcome.
So, what are you guys doing today?
We are baking cupcakes and cookies. That's why I got confused.
Cupcakes and cookies. Will we burn the house down? Well, that's something we ask every day.
Yep. I don't know about baking shit. She refuses to listen to me, but I took home ec class, okay? When making cakes or cookies, you want to do the wet ingredients first. And if you are impatient like Tasha and put the flour in, you could always make, you see it? You make a little hole with your spoon over here.
Oh yeah.
Hold up. Pause the video.
Wait. They don't know what this is. We just said.
Oh, yes!
And now, this. And now, some clips that have, to put it mildly, not aged well.
I can't think. It's
So hot.
We're super excited.
CRAFTULA.
I'm already sweating my ass.
Most excellent.
Indeed.
I can't clap. I will not clap.
When is the fun part?
We guys pull up.
We're excited.
We are. Although you already knew that. Let's get crack-a-lackin'.
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 So
Cut that out.
Fantastic.
you're leaving?
Yeah.
You just came to eat Chipotle in our face and leave?
Which is not perfect.
We're gonna drink now.
In our living room this week, darling. Definitely gonna speak.
It sounded like the shrimp from Finding Nemo. They're like, whoa, whoa.
Yeah. You went so far away.
So far away.
I
Should
don't
we
know if we
redo that?
can we even come back from that? We're pretty excited about this one. In reality, we're excited about all of them. So
Yes.
I feel like you've heard us say we're excited a few times.
We're gonna smoke a little, make a smoky,
Smoking a pancake.
smoking a pancake.
So grab a drink, grab a seat. And Kristen was gonna add something there, but I guess not. I forgot. Hi guys.
End of flashback.
She's slowly incorporating the flour.
Well, I'm working with a fork here. I'm surprised we don't have an electric mixer.
I do.
So now I'm staring at it.
Really nice, expensive one.
I have a KitchenAid mixer, but we're trying to do it like
Bitch, get the chicken mixer out.
I know, why not the brand new?
chicken.
I made a kitchen mixer out.
I want that chicken mixture.
What did you spend?
Well, the amount of flour you have left now, just go ahead and muscle through. You want to switch off?
Please.
Okay.
I don't have.
I'm just adding some more flour because it's pretty soft, and since we're gonna roll it out into the forms, we're going to want it to chill out for a minute so that it's nice and firm.
Oh, nice.
So what we'll do is we will put it in the fridge and get cracking on the cupcakes.
Can I roll it? I've never rolled.
Yeah, but not yet.
I'm ready though.
This is our special guest, Camillers. She's usually behind the scenes with her audio commentary. You guys have heard it. Also, you've seen her as Nosferatu, the director. Today she joins us on screen to decorate some cookies for our Goodbye Goodbye series.
Goodbye, goodbye. And we got her nice and a little sloshed.
Mildly sloshed for the occasion.
So Camila, you just came back from North Carolina. What are you doing out there?
I did. I was up to no good.
Oh, she solemnly
Devilish
says.
little thing.
I'm gonna name this guy Matt.
Matt, if you're watching,
Yes.
so
So
pelvic thrust at future girls.
that's where you messed up, buddy.
You were in. You had an in.
I was following you. I was there for the ride, and then you did that pelvic thrust, and I was like, we can't have that. It's 2020. We not settling.
I fucking had an attack of like candy and I got like 3 bags of candy and I fucking ripped through them.
Sour candies?
Yes. Oh, it's interesting because you know girls crave chocolate.
I crave sour candy.
If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. How can I, when you won't take it from me?
That's going great.
You can go your own way. Go your own way. You can call it another lovely day.
Haria,
How do I live?
with
Roll out, my honey, roll out, and the top back, roll out.
It's raining. It's pouring. You don't know. It's snowing.
and I still haven't found.
The sons of something and boys of butter. Like something and the sons of all of butter. Okay, hold on. It's
Don't tell me not to live the same butter. Something something and the rest of all of butter. Something something you rain on my parade.
you don't love me now. You will never love me again. I can still hear you saying you will never break the chain.
But he broke it. Oh, I'm flashing. And I don't think I can handle this at all. Well, one more night till I holy fuck, I fuck you.
Ew. Oh my god, how rude.
I know. That's my cookie.
Who made that? We do not cookie shame in this house. Just ended up looking like a turd. Great. That's how, isn't that just how art works though? Sometimes you think you're making a masterpiece and sometimes it ends up looking like a turd. She cute.
Or whatever.
Whatever.
It's gonna be especially fair.
Okay, actually I'm really excited to try the muffins.
It's a fucking cupcake.
Sorry, the cupcake.
Muffins are for breakfast, cupcakes are for fun.
And I want to paint it black. The colors and
We had knives like this. Not like this.
I think it's an Italian thing. Like no one hands you a knife. You put the knife on the ground or on
That's
the
the
table.
salt.
No, you put the knife on the table and then they get it. The salt you throw behind your left shoulder.
No, that's if you drop it. Your salt, you never hand in a hand. You put it on the.
Well, I don't think
Table.
I would ever hand
If
somebody
you
salt with
try-
your hand. You want some salt? Let me pour it in my hand first and sprinkle it.
Lick it off the ground.
Very funny.
Pinky. Two in the pinky, one in the stick.
So, to top off the end of this journey. Oh!
Yes, this journey has come to an end. This is the last episode of this year. We will be back next year.
Hell yeah, I had
And
fun.
We already have some creepy things prepared for next
yes,
year.
we do.
Let's cut into this cake. I feel like it's Craftula's first birthday.
Whee! We were born this year, and we don't regret it.
That's beauty. We got some raspberries inside. So cute.
I know. Imagine if it said CRAFTULA next year.
What the hell? We're gonna have to figure out that DIY next year.
Is this really goodbye? All
It's
right.
goodbye for now. It's
For
not
now.
goodbye forever. It's goodbye for now.
I had a lot of fun
Yeah. So spooky.
and creeptastic.
Your toy.
Kimbo, what do you do? Look at your face.
So the round ball.
The round ball. We're just not gonna describe.
No one's gonna want to come visit you. You know those sweet snuggles you had with your aunt on the couch yesterday? That's not gonna happen today if you piss her off.